Okay, I'm going to see if I could sneak up on the bird feeder here from inside. We've got a crossbill up in the feeder, and I want to see if I can get it on camera. They're really nervous birds, so I don't dare go outside when he's there. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on him. If I can get a little closer to the window. He's already getting suspicious. Staring at me here. Oh, there he is. Try and get a little closer. That's the bird feeder waving back and forth, not me. So I don't know if you could see the crossbills there. Maybe that was a bit too blurry, eh? Oh, there's a red one down here. Red one. Over to the right. I've also got house finches there. And I think there's some red poles hanging around. And this morning, for the first time, I saw a junco. These guys there. See? I'm hoping this isn't blurry because I don't have my glasses on. So it all looks blurry to me. Another little guy there. Okay. I'm just eating black oil sunflower seeds. Well, there's my little junco. I see him in the background. See if I can get him. Where'd he go? Where'd you go? There you are, down there. Okay, where are you? He's hiding. He's hiding. There he is. There he is. There's a junco. Get away from this. He disappeared again. Anyway. Oh, that was a rude bird, wasn't it? Came and scattered everyone. See the little guy here. There's a house finch. I really like this olive color. It's kind of cool. Got some Niger back here too for them. And this little nesty thing I put there, they really like going in there. I'm going to buy a couple more for the trees. That little thing. Little roost. And they really like it. Ooh. Shaky. Too early in the morning. Anyway, that's some of the birdies in my feeder. Aren't they birdie? Birdie birdies. Oop, that was a bad sparrow. Get away my birds. This guy here though, nothing makes him move. He's eating and that's it. Alright. Oh, what do we got down here? I see a nuthatch. Where are ya? They are so cute. There he is. There we go. Where you go? Where'd you go? He likes to feed on the Niger. Every once in a while I see him hopping in the roost. Alright, he's coming back. Oh, he's going to check out this feeder. It's empty. I haven't filled it up. He's still on it. Just in case. Just in case. Oop. There ya. There he is. Check out the Niger. It goes in the little house. I'm going to get more of those. Just gives them a little place to hide. Eat their seeds. Isn't that fun watching the birds? How can you not enjoy watching birds? Seriously. Seriously, people. I could watch birds all day long. Like now, when I should be doing housework. Oop, here he comes. See my little nuthatch? Here he goes. They're so cute. Alright. Back to housework. Bye, birdies. See you later.